Hello folks, welcome to Sailing Vessel Ruby and the Adventures of Captain Bill.
Angelica, hello.
Sorry about the camera movement, that's the wind. I'm trying to hold on to the
Still
selfie
winter
stick.
time.
Yeah, so in today's video, we are summarizing the month of March, putting all our trips to the boat, the marina, the yacht club into one single video like we did for January and February. The lead-in time it is now April 12th. So it is definitely a winter-like day here, April 12th here in Boston, New England. Matter of fact, last evening, it's a Saturday, last evening, Friday, there was a big storm in New England. The Boston area rained, but a lot of Massachusetts, western and northern Mass, New Hampshire, most of the northern New England had several inches of snow on April 11th. You know, it's relentless. It never lets go. It's barely 40 degrees and the wind's blowing here about 10 to 15 miles an hour, and it's raining, it's cold, folks. So spring commissioning has not started, but enjoy today's video about our March activities. It's not the Caribbean, so but you know we're just trying to show you what it's like to be a boater in New England. A lot of you already know this, but those of you enjoying warmer weather and watching warmer weather sailing channels, hope you get some type of appreciation of how painful it is.
It is painful.
We're not gluttons for punishment. We do want to move, but yeah, enjoy today's video. We'll do a wrap up. See you in a bit. Thank you.
Bye.
Hello folks, how are you? Captain Bill here. It's Sunday, March 9th, and I'm at the Yacht Club. It's their annual St. Patrick's Day party here at the Yacht Club, with featuring the Black Velvet Band. But of course, while I'm here, I'm going down to check Ruby, so I'm going to film that. And I'll be filming a good portion of the event today. So I have my microphone tucked into my jacket here, folks, so the wind doesn't hit it and cause that annoying noise on the microphone. Hopefully it's working well, not too muffled. I'm gonna go down and just on the main pier here, just take a peek around, see how things look. It's a beautiful bright day, but it's blowing. Winds are coming out of the west, so the planes are landing into the west direction. It's actually, you can see over there, I got it from another spot, Cottage Park Yacht Club. They have their Frostbite series on Sunday. See those small boats over there? See those small boats over there sailing? They're flying today. Cold and exciting to be sailing in Frostbite today. Walk over here. All right, that's Ruby. Ruby from a distance, looking okay. Zoom in a little bit. All right, let's go down. do I got? So just coming down here right now, I'm seeing this black line here. It's very slack, very loose. That's because the opposite side of the boat is really stretched out. And I haven't seen it yet. Somebody moved that power cord. All right. Nothing broken. Looks like it looks like my ice heater that was sitting right here got blown into the ocean. It's actually too cold right now. I am going to leave it in there, and in a warmer day I'll bring it up. I don't know why these lines are here. They must have snapped. It's a little rough today. I don't want to climb on Ruby. I'm kind of rushed to get back to the St. Patrick's Day party that's getting underway inside. Tarps look good. Dock looks good. That blue line's a little worn. So is the other one, but they're doubled up. So one goes, the other one's going to be there. So I'm not concerned about that. That was the plan. All right. Ruby's looking good. All right, walk down here. So this person's tied off onto the main over here. You can see the main being pulled a little bit by all that pressure. It's pretty, but it's cold. All right, so just checked on Ruby, everything's fine. Just recorded a short video. It's probably already been published a week or two ago. It is blowing hard, folks, blowing hard. 30 miles an hour, gusts up to 30. I'd say it's constant 20, 25 right now. And it's a pretty day, but it's a cold day. We're looking forward to spring arriving, and it arrives very slowly in New England. Never fast enough. Winters are long, springs are short, summer gets real hot for a short period of time, and then you're back at it again. Go inside where it's nice and warm. All right, folks, here we are, March 31st. March is not quite over yet.
Cold.
She's saying it's cold. It's cold, yes, but it's not February cold, it's March cold.
Wind freezing like ice.
Yeah, well, you know what? It was around 60 today at home. We live away from the water.
Inside there.
No, outside it was near 60.
Now.
It's probably 55 here, but it's got a little bit of a breeze, so there's a wind chill, right? So going down, check Ruby.
That's not just a breeze now.
Looking pretty good from here. Look over here. Hull is dirty. Gonna have to get a diver early this year. A little yellow, that yellowish on the hull, that is wax. That's wax on the hull that's getting a little old and old and yellow. I don't know how else to describe that. Let's see. An ice heater can be put away for the rest of the year. I'm not rushed to do it. I'll do that on a warmer day, not today. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get cold. It's cold enough. So the winter storage cover, the winter storage cover did pretty well here. It's only about 2 or 3 weeks before I take that off. It's March 31st. Last year we took that off on Patriots Day, which is around the 15th of the month, so later this year. Patriots Day will be on the 21st, but you know, a very warm Saturday or Sunday in April, that cover will come off.
I'm freezing.
Oh, all right. Only a few more winter check-ins or early spring check-ins on Ruby before check-ins become spring commissioning. Working on Ruby, getting her ready for the summer of 2025. It'll be here before you know it. It'll be come and gone before we know it. Another season, another summer, another year goes by. Beautiful Winthrop Yacht Club. Pretty good. I'm hearing this bird. I don't know, like a down by my boat.
That's cold. Before
hear that.
one night. Before I was
I should know the name of that bird.
anymore.
A loon. Sounds like a loon. I'm thinking. Yeah, great day. Hello, folks. Welcome to Sailing Vessel Ruby and the Adventures of Captain Bill.
Angelica, hello.
How you doing? Sorry about the movement. It's Sunday, March 16th. It's the day before the official St. Patrick's Day, which is March 17th. It's a Monday this year. Last Sunday, the Winthrop Yacht Club had their annual St. Patrick's Day party, which we attended. We took a lot of video for that, and we hope to get an episode out. The temperature here is 61 on the water with a strong wind. When we left home south of Boston, it was 71. Cooler around the water as always, and the reason that it's warm in March like this is because of the winds. There's a southwesterly wind blowing, and that means the wind is coming over the landmass, heading over to the ocean. The ocean is east of Boston, northeast of Boston, so when you have southwesterly winds, you get warmer weather.
But so cold.
So yeah, it's warmer weather, but it's windy. So we're gonna walk down to the boat, check Ruby, see how it's going. All right, here we go. You can see the choppy water here. I gotta hold on to my hat. Probably getting some wind noises in the microphone. I'm sorry. Keep our backs to the wind. Have our microphones attached to our collars. See the boats bouncing around. Not unusual.
Oh my head.
I'm sure you can hear that wind noise. The last time I checked on Ruby, it was March 9th when the St. Patrick's Day party was going on at the yacht club, and it was really cold. So I got down the boat, and one thing I noticed, we've been having a lot of windstorms lately, and my ice heater that was sitting on the deck actually got blown off, or maybe bounced off the deck from rolling seas. Turn my head around here. I'm losing. Yeah, you can see the movement on the dock here. Might not be too safe to walk on. We'll see. The stay right in the middle, Angelica, so if you fall, you don't go in the water, honey. All right, again, the winds are coming out of the southwest. They're kind of pointing on the nose of Ruby, so that's kind of a good thing for these tarps. You know, it gets a little bit of it, it catches it in the front, obviously a bit, but that's okay. I could tighten up that bow line right there. That's not doing much. And let Angelica hold my phone. We got going on and chafing lines a little bit. You know, they're chafed some. You can see this here. See that yellow line there? That's attached to my ice heater. It's in the water. I'm going to pull that out of the water today. It's a little warmer to do so than it was last week. Lines everywhere, it's broken. There's yellow lines. Those are likely lines from my ice heater. All right, folks. Again, more video of Ruby today. Ruby's bouncing around, but she's looking okay. Dock lines are in order. They're doing what they're supposed to. Docks are taking a little bit of a beating. They're built well, not unusual. Show you some more here of the ocean, the wind. Tiki bar, 63 degrees. A little bit of sun, mostly cloudy, some sun. The dock's moving. I feel like I'm surfing, so be careful. Guy likes to, what are you doing here, pal? My dock, winter time. Spring starts on Thursday, March 20th, the first day of spring. Angelica up there, not wanting to stay on the dock too long. I don't blame her. Yeah, you know, the wind makes it warm, but the wind also kind of spoils it, so a little bit of a trade-off. But making some progress in the garage over there. You got the new shingles on the southerly side. Finish that up. It'll look nice. Nice for the neighborhood. Nice for the yacht club. Oh yeah. I can feel the warm water. Not warm. I can feel the warm air coming as part of the wind. You get a little rush of cool air. You get a little rush of warm air. Again, you see Ruby bouncing around. Another 3 to 4 weeks, and those tarps will be off. Again, last year in 2024, we took them off on Patriots Day. That's another Massachusetts, Boston, Suffolk County holiday. It's only one county, just like tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. They call it Evacuation Day, so it's a county holiday. So county, state government within county, town, schools, banks, things like that would be closed on that day. Just an excuse to have St. Patrick's Day off a long time ago by some Irish politicians. Inside. Yeah, we're struggling here to hold the camera and talk, and The wind is howling. So we're hoping that this is the last video you see of us where we're, checking on Ruby for winter, and it's, no ice, it's no snow, and it's freezing. Hopefully, the next one we'll be telling you, wow, it's 55, 60 degrees warm. We're starting to prepare the boat. Our very early stages of spring commissioning for the 2025 season. So that's what we are hoping for. But there goes the sun down over the city of Boston. Minus the cold, it's always beautiful, but the reality is we're cold. So hang in there, folks. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for watching our videos. We're looking for a lot of sailing, a lot of fun, a lot of content and video. This is a year that we really have a good year all around for many reasons. All right, folks, we're back for the whole month of March video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, folks. I hope it's warm wherever you are, because it's not here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Under the stars tonight, the city shining bright. You said you'd meet me there at the corner by the light. In your pink dress, your vision so sweet. My heart skips a beat as you walk down the street. Dancing with you, my heart's on fire. Lady in pink, you're my desire. We take the floor, the world fades away. Just you and me and the music we play. Come on, baby, let's hit the floor. Let's go, honey. At the